Hey! Hey! This isn't my natural hair, guys. It's very sharp. It's not really. I don't like this song. Oh, shucks. Oh, I need to fart. You scum. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. That's how you fart. Oh yeah, you got the fat titties, I got the fat tummy. Libby, you recording this? I know. I'm bored. Libby, you're recording this?
Yes.
Are you going to stop recording this? It's gonna be a bright shiny day. It's gonna be a bright shiny day. She slept with Grumpy, and then had the humpies, and caught the herpes.
Thanks.
She just don't know what to do anymore. Shouldn't have slept with my man.
Should stop sleeping with him then.
Oh, you want to go there, do you, sister? You want to go there, do you? Do you? Let's find an email.
What?
Mom, good luck. Ready? No, I'm joking. You stupid bitch.
Hi guys.
Hang on.
Meet Libby. Libby?
What?
Hey Libby.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, the super fashions and shit. They went and put a monster in Nicki Minaj's room.
Oh, hang on.
Oh.
It's not working.
You know. What did you do, yeah? You did that, and this huge, big smack of spider was crawling all over you. What did you do?
I'd do this.